This is the छोटा bird. One bird. They may be sleeping. The first one and the second one. Habibi, wake up. And see who is the mother bird. The mother bird is just right over here. The daddy bird is just right up there. The daddy bird, the mother bird. And now, the babies. These are the full family. Hope you have a good time. Hello, wake up. The mother bird is gonna come attack me. So now, better. I wish I could touch you. Oh, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? Wake up, wake up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up. Oh, they can open their eyes. No, they can open their mouth. I hope the mother bird will not come. Wake up. Why are you eating a feather, bro? Look, I want to touch them. I wish the mother bird not come yet. Because if it comes, it's gonna kill me. So cute babies. Too much cute.